Hello, I'm Adriano Martins, CEO of VRTools Ai. Thank you for your attention. I'm excited to share how, through this partnership between China and Brazil, we can positively impact the development and lives and thousands of people each year. VRTools AI learning experience. We are building the next layer of the internet, intelligence, immersive, and humanly interactive 3D worlds powered by Genesis AI. The problem, the human disconnection crisis. Education and cooperation training are broken. Over 70% dropout among 218 million people who really online education worldwide. Over 300 billion US dollars wasted annually in company training that employers forget within a week. Burnout, landlines, and stress have become global epidemics, costing over $1 trillion US dollars in lost productivity. The root problem is not technology, it is the lack of human connection in technology. We build a connected world, but no, not an interactive one. The solution, first, my AI, empathetic AI avatars for corporate communication, training, and well-being. Two, Immersa, 3D learning and simulation, platform for education and industry. And finally, the core technology or proprietary engine that merges emotion, intelligence, and the real-time interaction inside digital environment. Just like Google transformed how we search and Zoom transformed how we meet, VR tools is transforming how we learn, connect, interact, building the next layer of the internet, intelligence, immersive, and humanly interactive. Why now? First, AI is finally emotional. Generative intelligence now understands tone, context, and empathy. Two, immersive technology method. 3D, VR, and real-time rendering are accessible and scalable. And three, well-being become law. Global movements such as Brazil demand that companies care for their people's mental and emotional health. Education corporations were building for efficiency, not empathy. Screen throw toggles to watch. Now avatars will touch us to feel again. The next $1 trillion revolution will not come from automation, but from humanization through intelligence technology. China and Lusophone bridged and SDG impact, building bridges, not borders. VRTools links Brazil, Macau, and Lusophone Africa into one ecosystem, enables educational and cooperation collaboration via 3D internet, aligns with SDGs for quality education, 8 decent work, 9 innovation, and 3 well-being. Impact metrics plus 70% engagement, less 40% training cost, and plus 45% satisfaction. Market opportunity, a $350 billion US dollars market really for human-centered AI transformation. 270 billion plus 30% CAGR, EdTech, and $80 billion year for corporate training and well-being. Intersection equal or playground where education, AI, human interaction merge. Product them go
Hello, I'm
show,
Adriano
don't
Martins,
tell.
CEO of VRTools AI, and I'm here with Renata. Artificial intelligence avatars representing one of the main pillars of your company's technologies, and we'll be making this pitch with her. Renata, we are here in the presence of the Jays Awards organizers, and we have the challenge of pitching in less than a minute and a half. So please introduce yourself, introduce VRTools AI, what major global challenges we solve, how we solve them, which organizations and companies have already used and validated our technology, and what positive impact we have the potential to generate in the world.
Hello everyone, welcome to the future of the internet. I'm Renata, an AI avatar from VRTools AI, and today I'll show you how we're transforming the way people learn, work, and connect in intelligent, immersive digital environments. Today, more than 280 million students worldwide rely on online learning. The result? 70% dropout rates, billions of dollars lost, and millions of frustrated people. In companies, the situation is no different. Over $300 billion per year are wasted on ineffective training, unmotivated employees, and lack of engagement. VRTools AI is the answer. We are the intelligent 3D internet platform, combining generative AI, immersive and interactive reality to reinvent education, work, and digital experience. Here, environments are alive, avatars interact, data becomes decisions, and engagement rises like never before. Petrobras, University of Marilia, Unimar, German multinational Gesellschaft Devrient, and municipal departments have already used our intelligent 3D internet to train, engage, and transform their teams. And the best part? We deliver this with scalability and security, with personalized avatars that handle onboarding, support, and training with empathy and autonomy, while also producing data to improve managers' decision-making. Just as Google redefined search and Zoom redefined meetings, VRTools AI is creating the next layer of the internet. Immersive, intelligent, and interactive. Let's make a positive impact together.
Traction and validation. Profit works. Validated by Petrobras, Unimar, Cardano Web3, thousands of users, higher engagement, lower costs, measurable ROI. The best online training I've ever taken in my life. Juliana, AR Petrobras. I'm happy because it finally feels like my first real contact with the university. Even though I've been studying online for almost a year. Mark student, Unimar. Business model plus go-to-market. Revenue streams, my AI SaaS B2B usage-based model, valued by avatars interaction time, Imersa license for EdTech and GovTech, and three Genesis AI SDK core license for partners. Go-to-market strategy. The first, leverage Brazil-China Lusophone network. Two, partners with universities and innovation hubs. And three, focus on education, HR tech, and well-being verticals. Competition landscape. Many players, one direction. Others fragmented, we unified. Futures and companies, uh, well, so VRTools AI close all features. 3D immersive environment, empathetic AI emotional response, real-time avatars interaction, proprietary AI engine, human emotional dataset, cross-sector scalability, EdTech, corp, health, usage-based SaaS model, and validated enterprise clients. Our moat, what makes VRTools AI unstoppable? Type, description, means. Type, technological, proprietary Genesis AI engine, meaning emotion plus intelligence plus immersion. Data, exclusive emotional interaction data set, means improves empathy with its use. Network, type network, ecosystems of schools, companies, and partners. Brand, trust from major players like Petrobras, Unimar, Cardano. Accessibility, cross-platform experience, no special hardware required. Works on iOS, Android, tablets, PCs, Windows, and VR headsets. Ecosystem, Genesis AI Open SDK for partners and developers. Expand the platform through interaction and co-creation. Teams and vision. Adriano Martins, CEO and CSO, visionary entrepreneurs in metaverse AI education. Kleber Costa, CFO and CEO, 25 plus years in financial management in large scale operations. Guilherme Zancopé, CINO specialist, innovation ecosystems and productive strategy. Fábio Moura, CEO, Nando Corren, CVO and CMO, global brand strategy and creative visionary. Alex Takaoka, CTO and CSO, deep tech engineer, expert in real-time rendering and system architecture, and Kyle Klein, Chief AI Officer, researcher in applied artificial intelligence and generative system, and finally Sirion AI, Chief Intelligence Officer, strategy AI agent supporting governance and insight analysis. Our vision 2030 to make Genesis AI the foundation of the global intelligence 3D internet, empowering education, work, the human connection worldwide. Financials and use of funds, 3 years outlook. Revenue CAGR greatest more 60%. Profitability by year 3, high margin SaaS and license mix. Use of $1.5 million US dollars. 40% R&D, Genesis AI enhancement, and 30% market expansion, Asia and Lusophone, 30 marketing strategy aliens, and 10% operation and compliance. Every dollar invested fuel the evolution of a more intelligent, immersive, and deeply human internet. Join us in shaping the next evolution of the internet, where intelligence, immersion, and human connection coexist in every interaction. Thank you.